Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn about how to create free Adobe account or free Adobe ID. So first we open our favorite search engine, then search here Adobe account free. After opening this page of Google, we open the first website, open it, double click on it. After opening this page of Adobe website, we click on sign in. Here you can see the option of create an account. Click on it. After opening this page of website, we write here our email address and here we choose the password for our Adobe account. I write here our email. Now I am writing password for our Adobe account. The password you choose must fulfill the all conditions written here. Then click on continue. First here you write your name. I am writing tech edu. Here you write your birthday. I am selecting random birthday. Here you select your birth month. Here you write your birth year. I am selecting random year. Here you select your country and check out this option and click on done. Now you can see here your free Adobe account is created. Now you can view your account. Click here and click on view account. Now you can see here your free account is created. Now you can use the trial version of Adobe software, and if you want to buy any Adobe software, now you can buy easily from here. If you like this video, like it. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.